Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about the Fusion Digital Kitchen Scale, a great helper for precise measurement in the kitchen. This kitchen scale can measure with an accuracy of 0.1 grams, so you can accurately weigh anything from 0.5 grams to 3,000 grams. Thanks to its LCD display, it is really easy to read. It ensures that you always get the right measurement, especially when cooking, baking or brewing coffee. This scale can be zeroed with the Tare button, which means that you can zero the weight of the containers and weigh only the ingredients inside. Thanks to the PC's button, it is also possible to count items in pieces. With 6 different measurement modes: grams, ounces, carats, Oz, DWT, GN, you can choose the unit of measure that suits your needs. And of course, there is the energy-saving 1/8 automatic switch-off function. It has a very compact and stylish design with high-quality stainless steel platform and durable ABS plastic frame. It is very practical to use with its 2-dimensional tray. The 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support comes from the Fusion team, which is very reassuring. Fusion Digital Kitchen Scale. In this table, we have compiled the positive and negative comments of the users for you. If you need more capacity, the Tare 5 kilograms digital kitchen scale is also a great option. This scale can weigh up to 5 kilograms with 1 gram accuracy, and you can measure not only in grams, but also in 6 different units of measurement such as milk milliliters, water milliliters, pound, Oz, floss. So you can use it for many different types of food or drinks. With the Tare function, you can weigh only the contents by resetting the weight of the container. With its compact structure, you can use it comfortably in the kitchen without taking up much space. The LED display allows you to make accurate readings even in dark environments. This scale with food-grade stainless steel platform is very durable, both easy to clean and long-lasting. Tare 5 kilograms digital kitchen scale. In this table, we have compiled the positive and negative comments of users for you. Now it's time for the Equate to 107 digital kitchen scale. This scale can make precise measurements up to 5 grams and has a capacity of 5,000 grams, 11 pound. With 4 sensitive sensors, this scale can measure accurately and gives you exactly the right result. The tempered glass platform is not only safe, but also very easy to clean. Another advantage of this scale is the zeroing or Tare function, which allows you to zero individually when weighing multiple materials. The LCD display is very large and easy to read thanks to its blue backlight. It also warns you with features such as an overload indicator and a low battery warning. Equate 207 digital kitchen scale. In this table, we have compiled the positive and negative comments of the users for you. Finally, let's meet the Nicewell food scale. This kitchen scale can measure with an accuracy of 1/1G and offers a capacity of up to 22 pound 10 kilograms. 4 high-precision sensors ensure every ingredient is measured accurately. The LCD display allows you to read in different units such as grams, kilograms, pound, Oz, FL, Oz, and milliliters. The tempered glass platform on the scale combines with the stainless steel surface and is fingerprint-free. Thanks to the Tare button, you can zero the weight of the containers and get an accurate measurement of the materials. This digital scale is also very useful and stylish, perfect for both cooking and weight loss processes. Moreover, it runs on 2 AAA batteries and is very energy efficient. Nicewell Food Scale Digital Weight Gram. In this table, we have compiled positive and negative comments from users for you. We have prepared a product comparison in the table and common features of digital kitchen scales. 1. Digital measurement. 2. It has high precision. 3. It offers clear results with LCD display. 4. It has simple and intuitive button controls. 5. Tare function is available. 6. It has a modern, compact and portable design. 7. Battery operated and energy efficient. 8. Ease of use is at the forefront. These 4 great digital kitchen scales will make your work easier in cooking, baking, coffee preparation, and more. Which product you prefer depends entirely on your needs and usage. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon!